Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss about principles of accounting for first year. We will see the structure of model paper. In section A, you will have 20 multiple choice questions. Each multiple choice question carry 1 mark. Let's go through the rate of allowance given by a creditor to a debtor if he pays his debt before the due date of payment is normally 2%. Which of the following concepts it is assumed that business will exit for an indefinite time period? Going concern concept. Cash paid to Nadeem will affect cash and debtor. T account is the simplest form of a ledger. Credit the increase in revenue, capital, and liabilities. A business transaction affect at least 2 accounts. If the 2 sides of an account are equal, then account will show zero balance. Left hand side of an account is called debt side. Dash is a period of time after which a bill becomes payable. Tenor. A book which is used to record small expenses is called petty cash book. A cash account always shows debit balance. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared by customer's accountant. Drawings are deducted from capital. A prepared expenses is an asset. Adjust, Adjusting entries are made at the end of accounting year. Wages paid for the construction of building is an example of capital expenditure. All revenues expenditures are taken to profit or loss account. Heavy expenditure on advertisement for a new product is a deferred revenue expenditure. Errors which affect one account can be errors of posting. If an income is omitted to be recorded, it will understate the profit. In section B, attempt any 10 parts. The answer to each part should not exceed 3 to 4 lines. Each question carries 3 marks. So these are short questions. Out of these 12 questions, you have to attempt 10. Let's go through. Define realization concept. Define the term allowances. What are the stages of accounting cycle? Define noting charges. Define contingent liability. Define the term equity. What are the rules of debit and credit for assets, liabilities, expense, and revenue? Differentiate between simple entry and compound entry. What is meant by debit note? What is a suspense account? Differentiate between pay-in slip and checkbook. Describe revenue expenditure with example. In section C, you have to attempt any one question. You have basically four questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have total 6 questions. And out of these 6 questions, you have to just attempt one. From the following trial balance of Mr. Noman preparing a trading and profit or loss account and a balance sheet for the year ended on 31st December 2013. These are the particulars. This is the debit side, this is the credit side, and total is equal. So you have to do the adjustment according to these. Stock on 31st December 2013 was rupees 3600. Depreciate plant and machinery at the rate of 10%. Repair rupees 80 is outstanding. Make a provision of 10% on debitors for bad and doubtful debt. Question number 4 is enter the following transaction of Mr. Raul in a 3-column cash book. So these are the particulars you have to enter in the transaction. Attempt any 3 questions. In part 2, you have to attempt. So basically, out of these 2 questions, you have to attempt 1. But in part 2, you have to attempt 3 questions. These are basically 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 questions. Out of these 4, you have to attempt 3. So on 1st March 2013, Kareem sold goods to Rahim worth rupees 10,000. He drew a bill for the 3 months. On the same date, Rahim accepted and returned it to Kareem. On 3rd March, Kareem discounted the bill from his banker at the rate of 5% PA. At maturity, bill is dishonored and bank paid noting charges rupees 120. Pass the necessary journal entries in book of Kareem and Rahim. Question number 6 is prepare a book reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2013 from the following particulars. These are the particulars. You have to prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Question number 7 is the following errors were found from the book of a firm. Pass the necessary entries to rectify them. These are the errors you have to rectify. You have to pass the necessary entries and rectify it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 8 is record the following transaction in journal and prepare cash and capital ledger account. 1st March 2014, Mr. Ajmal started business with cash rupees 200,000, building rupees 75,000, and furniture rupees 25,000. So these are the particulars. On 4th March, purchase good for this amount. You have to just enter, record the following transaction in journal, and prepare cash and capital ledger. So this is the basic structure of structure and model paper and some of the solutions from the section A. If you have any question regarding principles of accounting, you can leave a comment below. And do share this paper with your classmates. I will see you in the next model paper. Till then, Allah Hafiz.